What's up? We're back in a big guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is Hamilton Northwestern heading southbound. Here he is right now. Here he is. There he is right now. There he is. Lots of tanker cars, and it looks like there's 11 cars in total. Here we go. He's going up so slowly. There he is. Two Fillmore cars right there. And there's the end, and there it goes. There's the end of the train, guys, and there it goes. There's the end, and there it goes. Ever so slower. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Real Fan Landon, Real Fan Landon out.